Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a market update for Tuesday, March 30th, 2021. Welcome to our YouTube channel. First of all, when you watch the YouTube, there's the gear icon below. So because we record it in the 1080p format, so if you don't see it clear, you can click the icon, gear icon, and then you can change it to the 1080 so that the picture quality will be better. And all of the important link under show more, if you click show more down below, they also lead to a bunch of links that get into our website. All right, so first of all, let's take a look to see where the main index are doing right now. And then after that, I'm going to show you the 5 industrial stock that will benefit of tomorrow as the President Joe Biden is going to release detail his plan on the infrastructure and manufacturing. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look on the S&P 500. So as you can see that the S&P 500 in last Friday, they put it back up in the last minute, and the last 2 days they did go sideways. We still have not break a new high yet, so but they're not going to go lower either. So they technically the last couple of days they just go sideways. So probably they're waiting for tomorrow to see how much more money will flow to the market before they take another move to the upside. Okay, so until we break this level here, the market will continue to the uptrend. And second one is the Nasdaq. As you can see that the Nasdaq it have problem to getting higher. As you can see that a lot of technology stock, they are going nowhere because they are still below the Dow trend line here. So the momentum is still very weak. So the people concerned about the 10-year Treasury note yield, it pushed it high today. But the key thing here, they hit to the sell zone. So this is a very tough zone for them to break through here. So let's see tomorrow they can come down. That will help the Nasdaq to move up. Okay, so we will see that tomorrow. We see how they are doing at this level here. So, but this level right now they hold at the resistance. So probably they will pull back and then help the Nasdaq to move higher. And the Russell 2000 is also going sideways. They found up a bottom here, but we're looking for another leg up in order to confirm the push it up uptrend again. Okay, and the Dow is still pretty strong. Okay, but they also they make a new all-time high, but again they go sideways, so they go nowhere. So the market is very tight range in the last couple of days. So let's see tomorrow be able to break out and then continue to the upside. And so overall the market is still in uptrend. So technically, even though they go sideways, but they're not coming down. So it means that they still try to hold up momentum. Every time they go up, they pull back down. Every time they go up, they pull back down. So they do step by step. So let's see how they are going to show us tomorrow. And if you look at the gold, gold is also going down. As you can see here, they have a tough time to break through the resistance here. So right now they are still push it down. So the downtrend is still there. Okay, and look at the oil. Oil it also put it down. Okay, the last issue in the Suez Canal couldn't bring up higher. So because they are still in the sideways correction here, but they hold up at this level very tight here. So the oil will continue to go up. Okay, after they stabilize here and break out and continue to the upside. And the Bitcoin it also try to break out and then put it back up to the upside, as you can see here. So they go up, so they pull back a little bit, but the overall trend they also try to build momentum to break out this level for the higher high. So let's see if they're able to do that. And I think that's all indexes right now. Some of them would go up, some of them go down, so that's why market goes sideways choppy. So we should wait for tomorrow after Mr. Biden. He will announce his plan, and let's see how everything is going to lay out. Okay, so if the more money will come to the market, they will push the market will go higher. And as you know that trading is a risky business. It's not a get rich quick scheme. Trading it requires you to know the market well as as you know, that successful trader, they require much more than a good strategy. They require discipline, patience, daily guiding, and a lot of experience from practice. You need to be in the right community and live trading room that everyone will help each other to be success, and you can ask and get the answer to confirm your thinking before you take in a trade. So this is the time for you to invest in education so that you can survive in this volatile market. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will inform you. Okay, so now let's take a look on the 5 stocks that I'm going to show you. Okay, that you know that the industrial sector is a very strong sector. As you can see here, they have been outperformed the market for since all the time here. So you can see they continue to make it high. So a lot of stock in this sector, they are still very strong. And by tomorrow, after Biden go to unveil his plan, you can see that those stocks will get more benefit. So let's take a look on the first one, that's the ASX. Okay, so this stock is at the industrial holding here. So this stock has been slammed out from $9, they come to $7. So now they put back down, they follow support, and then they are ready to wait for the breakout to continue to the upside. Next one is the Wacko. That's another one that will be able to break out a downtrend line, and then they continue to push it back up. So if they can hold up here, they will find a way to get back to the top again. And BLD definitely at the top view. This one here, they involved with a lot of government contract. Okay, and they are still very strong here. Even the last couple of days, they hold up very tight. The momentum is still on the upside. So looking for more push up to the upside in the future. And the next one is GE, also involved with a lot of government contract here. So this stock they pull back down, and then they follow support multiple times here. Now today they gain more momentum and put it back to the upside again. And another one is the heavy construction equipment at the John Deere. You know that this company is very strong. This one and Caterpillar, they are very strong. And then they put it back down last couple of days, but now they find a way to put it back up again. Okay, so this is the 5 industrial stocks that I'm going to show you here, and then definitely they will benefit from President Biden tomorrow when he unveils his infrastructure plan. Okay, besides these stocks, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Wall Street Premium Watch List, where we handpick about 4 or 5 stocks every week, and we analyze in detail with entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. Again, thank you for watching. Good luck in your trading. I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to give me a thumb up. Take care, everyone.